Wonderful good morning everyone, and welcome back to another Soul Drives video, and welcome back to the beautiful Black Forest on this beautiful Saturday with my new car. I know you guys have been waiting for this. I know I have already teased it a lot. You guys have seen the car in the video with the Cayman GT4 RS, and right after that I had the 991.2 GT3 Touring planned. Besides everything that was going on, I haven't even had the time to film my own car, so we're doing it today, and I'm super happy to be able to show you my new car now. It is a 991.1 Carrera 4, 350 horsepower, flat 6, naturally aspirated, almost 8,000 RPM redline. It did already have, when I bought it, 102,000 kilometers on it, but I don't mind it. I'm gonna drive it a lot anyways. It's just so good at being a sports car and a daily driver at the same time. And I know the back seats are very small, but I was able to pick up some friends already, and they have been kind of sort of comfortable in the back. And yeah, it's just the opportunity to take some people with me that otherwise would have to walk. And even though it's a little bit of a squeeze, I'm not that tall, my girlfriend is also not that tall, so we can move the seat forward a little bit and we can easily put one person in the back. And yeah, it's just really practical. I love it as a daily driver. I love the car in general. I'm just gonna give you a quick rundown of the spec of the car because I think it's absolutely beautiful, and I'm very lucky that I have found a car like this one. It's a white 991.1 Carrera 4. We got the 20-inch Carrera S wheels. We have the full leather package, Bose sound system. We got Alcantara on the roof, Alcantara on the steering wheel and on the shifter, which makes it feel very nice. It has the white body, which comes with the all-wheel drive cars. It has the continuous light on the back, which I absolutely love. I love taking pictures of the car. It just looks so good. We got pretty much a full performance spec on this car. We got the sports exhaust, we got sports chrono package, we have the 14-way sports seats with adjustable side bolsters, which is really nice. Manual gearbox, of course, the most important part of the car, and the PASM adaptive dampers, which rounds up the package perfectly. The car pretty much has every single performance relevant feature that was available for the 991.1. And yeah, one thing you might have noticed already is that the back end kind of sort of looks like a GTS, which is because the previous owner installed a OEM GTS grille on the back end of the car, which makes it look absolutely phenomenal. We also got the sunroof, we got the darkened headlights. Those are Xenons, I believe, and yeah, just overall an insane spec. And all of that comes down to the car being a company car from Porsche. So the first owner of the car was Porsche itself. After that it went to the second owner, which the car spent 10 years with. This one is a 2014 model year. It has been built late 2013, and it always had the warranty extended. So it's still under Porsche approved warranty for 2.5 years still, and I believe I can even extend it for 1 more year, so I can pretty much drive this car up to 200,000 kilometers for the next 3.5 years with full warranty coverage on the car. And yeah, onto the location. Where am I actually? I'm on one of my all-time favorite roads. I know I say that every time when I do a YouTube video in the Black Forest, but this time, honestly, it's crazy. I just found this road recently a few weeks ago, and it's just like a complete mountain pass. Very curvy, very twitchy, very beautiful, with a lot of heights and lows, and also a not very popular road. So I'm gonna drive this road a lot more in the future now. Already went here like 3 times after I found it initially. And all I can say now, guys, is enjoy the video. And also, I'm not driving alone because Benjamin, you know him, he's the owner of the 992 GT3, my most viral video ever, which just surpassed 3 million views. And he's joining me today. Who knows, maybe I'm gonna hop into the 992 GT3 later on, because I know for a fact that Benjamin is pretty interested in how this Carrera 4 drives, because he really loves manual cars, and I believe he's missing his 996 4S manual and all-wheel drive system, wide body. He's probably gonna want to try the Carrera 4, so we're gonna wait for Benjamin to arrive to film a beautiful Black Forest drive, as you know it from my channel. Let's do it.
Ja, lass jetzt halt. Ich genieße mal. Das sieht krass aus.
So, guys, what a beautiful view. GT3 has now arrived. Benjamin is here with me. There he is. That's the guy behind the 3 million views GT3. And yeah, I think for now, he's hungry, I'm hungry. We both haven't had breakfast, so we're gonna go eat something first, and then we're gonna take the two cars out for a drive. I'm gonna hook up the camera in my car, and maybe later on, if he is interested in driving my car, as I said before, maybe we'll switch around.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. And yeah, I'm gonna take you guys, of course, along with us. And for now, first coffee and a small little breakfast. I'll catch you later. So, now in the 992 GT3. Oh, it feels good to be back in a GT3. I absolutely love this car. This car is honestly pretty special to this channel because this car was featured in the most successful video that I've ever done, and yeah, it's pretty much the car that the channel is now known for. And all I can say is big thanks to Benjamin for joining me today for this drive and for the opportunity to drive this GT3 again. And what a coincidence, I just uploaded a story and he decided to spontaneously join, and so now I'm sitting in this car that is the most successful video that pretty much skyrocketed my YouTube channel. Yeah, such a special day. And yeah, the differences are quite extreme. Obviously the car is much more direct, the car feels much more planted, the suspension, the brakes, everything is in a whole nother league. But honestly, the cool thing is that with this YouTube channel and with all these amazing cars that I'm able to drive nowadays, my 991.1 Carrera 4 still feels exciting each and every time I get into the car. So for an example, I'm driving something like a GT3 Touring and I get back into my 991.1 Carrera 4, it still feels exciting every single time when I get back into that car from something that's so much more expensive and so much more special, if you could say so, like this 992 GT3. And that really makes me appreciate my 991 even more. And I would say one of the very special things about it is still that it's the last naturally aspirated, high revving flat six that you could get in a base 911. Okay, this is